The next topic is set. Have you heard, guys? Have you heard about set in your 10th standard? Have you heard?
Yes,
So, what is set? Have you seen? Set A, set
yes,
B. Have you seen? Yes, just imagine. So it's a Venn diagram, set A and set B. The set contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now tell me what is the element of A? I mean set A. 1, 2, 3, 4,
five,
5,
six,
6. Yeah, right. And what is set B, guys?
5, 6, 7,
five,
8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 6, 9, 10. Okay. And what is A intersection B?
five, six.
Yeah. You people have remembered long years. Okay. So A union B.
All it has all.
Okay. Yes, yes. All the elements. 7, 8, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. Okay. So what is A difference B? If I remove B, so what is the answer?
1,
One,
2, 3, 4.
Yes. 1, 2, 3 for one day. B difference A means?
seven, eight, nine, ten.
Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so guys, the set is also have a same definition, guys. So it is set is the collection of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items and which is enclosed by what? Square bracket. Okay, set is enclosed by square brackets and separated by commas. Now tell me, so set is an ordered collection or unordered collection? Here I written elements, so it's ordered or unordered?
Unordered.
Yes, it is an unordered collection. There is no indexing. If it is no indexing, there is no slicing. Okay, there is no order. So because it's an unordered collection. So it's a set as a mutable or immutable.
We can change the data, so it is a
Yeah,
mutable.
we can changeable. So it's a mutable. Okay. So guys, we can add 11 or else we can remove 10. So we can mutable modifications. Then the next thing is it allows duplicates or no duplicates.
No duplicate.
Because sets is a unique, guys, so it is no duplicates and we call it as set as a unique, so each and elements are unique. Okay, have you got my point? Okay, we'll move on set, guys. Just take a screenshot or snap. We'll move on coding part. Yes.
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll move on coding part. So see, set is the collection of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items and enclosed by what? Curly brackets and separated by commas, and it's a mutable and ordered collections. And there is no duplicates. Okay, so come to the next needs for data science. So it's a unique value data set. We can perform this operation. Just now we performed the union intersections, and this is mainly using for cleaning. So this is the syntax for set, guys. Now I created a set. Just listen: apple, banana, cherry. Again I apple. So here I print a. So what is the output of print a? What is the output? Apple, cherry, banana. Is any duplicate is there?
No.
It is in ordered collection. Yes.
Illa. So, no,
Unordered.
No,
unordered connection.
because it's an unordered collection. So the output is what? Unordered. So what is the data type? So here I enclosed with curly brackets. That's the reason it is called as a what? Set. If I use parenthesis, what is the answer? Type.
Tuple.
Tuple. If I use square bracket, what is the answer?
List.
Yes.
Yeah. Have you got an idea? It's okay for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let me move on loop, guys. So listen, here I'm using curly brackets. So it's never print ordered. Okay. Don't believe that. There is no indexing. So it's randomly taken. Okay. It randomly taken the fruits. Now check, it is an ordered collection.
No.
No, it initialize any fruits because there is no indexing. So it initialize if there is any fruit. First it initialize apple, the next is cherry, and next one is banana. And I already told that there is no indexing. If you are try to take an indexing, so set as now object is not a subscriptable. Okay.
So I have a doubt here.
Yeah.
Asap.
Yes.
So when assume that there is a large set of data
Yeah.
with student details,
Okay.
including roll number,
Hmm.
name,
Hmm.
phone number, and all.
Yeah.
So every student roll number is a unique one.
Yeah.
So to take these lines, which class is the better? Which class is better to use the create this data?
Yeah. So in guys, in only it's used for roll numbers only.
Hmm. Because
Okay.
roll number is the unique one.
Yes, because if they are using in names, somebody's have same names in class. Both are have a same names, and triple R have
So
a
the
same
data will not be
applicable.
printable.
Yeah,
So which is the best class or which is the best one to create to print this data
yeah,
without missing any data?
yes, yes. If it is duplicates, it removes.
Okay, if there are any duplicates, it removes. But
Yeah,
I want all the data to be printed
list. You
without
can use the list.
duplicates.
Yeah, you can use the
You list
list.
one. Okay, okay, okay,
If you want a permanent, you can use a tuple. This is the
okay.
logic. If you
Hmm.
don't know the duplicates, you want a unique, you can use set. If you are doing a temporary, you can use tuple, sorry, set, sorry, list.
List.
If you want to permanent, you can use what? Tuple. That's the difference for these data types. Okay, have you got my point?
Got it.
Yes. So come to the set methods. So I created a set A, set B, guys. You have to assume to draw the Venn diagram. Just see if guys, this is the method is add method, which is used to add an element. Is add at last or middle or beginning, guys? Where 7 is added? Is
At the end.
7 is added anywhere because it is a unordered collection. Don't define it stored as a last. Okay, don't
Hmm.
think like that. So an append method is used to group of elements which is add into the set. Okay, do you have any doubt in add method and update method, guys? It's like in list it is called as append method, in list it is called as extend method. The same thing is working here, but it's no need to join at last. It's anywhere it join because it is an unordered
Not
collection.
list.
Yeah, do you have any
And
doubts?
update. In update, it joins at last or anywhere.
Yeah, it's also add anywhere
Okay.
because in update we are using group of elements, but here we passing only one value. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So what is okay? So for we are adding two values. That's why we are using update.
two or more value, two or
Two or
more
more value. Or
elements we
in
can use
add,
update.
can add only one.
Yeah, only one element only.
Okay.
Okay, so come to intersection, guys. I already written a intersection B. Now listen, so what is inside the A? These are the elements inside the A. What is presence in B? These are the elements. So what, now tell me, so what is the A intersection of B? So 3 4 8 will be presence inside the A2. So the intersection is 8 3 4, right? Yeah, now what's the union? So it is the A. And what about joining B also? So here
All
only
elements from A
extra
and B.
adding 6 only, it's automatically prints each and everything, right?
Mhm.
Guys, here we will write like this only, don't like to symbols. So A dot intersection B means A intersection B, A dot union B means A union B, okay, and A difference B. So what is the answer? B are removed from the A, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Now we will check what is the inside of A, inside of B. Now it's printed. So here guys, in set we don't have any indexing. So we can directly use the to remove the 8. So I'll ask if there are two double eights are present inside the set. So in which 8 it removes?
First occurrence.
If it is possible to double eight, if it is possible to double eight in set, the first
Set
questions, the first
no
one,
duplicates are allowed.
yeah,
No
the
duplicates are
first
allowed.
first you have to told that so set as a unique, so it should be in 1 8 only. There is no possible to
Mm.
double eight. So that's the reason we directly remove the 8.
A.
Okay, sorry. One second. Guys, if the element is not present, it automatically threw the error. Okay, if I want to remove the 16 is not present inside the A, but it returns the, okay, we'll give 25. It returns the error, key error. 25 is not present inside the what? Set. Okay,
Set.
just a minute. Using discard method, you can remove the element. If it is present, it removes. If it is not present, there is no throwing error. Okay, do you have the differences remove and discard? Both are doing for remove, guys. Okay, so the remove method, if it is present, only it removes, otherwise it threw the error. And here there is no error. If it is present, it's removed. If it's not present, nothing it does. They have any doubts?
Okay.
Yes.
Can you please repeat the remove and discard?
So remove, if you
Mm.
can mention any values, if it is present, it only removes. If it is not present, it threw the error. I already passed in 25, so it threw the error, right?
Yeah.
But in discard I'm using 25, but it does not throw the error, because if it is present inside the set, it removes. If it is not present, there is nothing it happen.
Okay.
Have you got my point? Is Alka?
Yeah, got it.
Hmm. Now this is called set A set B. I will tell you what is set, what is subset, or what is superset. Just a minute.
So, just one thing.
Yeah.
Then why to use remove, use discard only?
Alka, so in remove, discard is safe, Alka, but removes
No,
through the
I'm
error
saying,
attain.
then use discard always in this method.
Yeah.
If it's not showing error, there is no
Yeah.
need of using remove, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in your class there are 10 students are there, you are calling any name. Okay, so you are calling one time or two time. If they are present, they will say the present, right? If it is not present, nothing would happen, right?
Yeah.
The same thing will happen in this case.
Same thing with
But
me.
in remove method, it shows the error. The number 25 is not there. Okay, it's not a key. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. So comes to superset and subset. Just listen, guys. Guys, here I written two steps. It is set A. Inside the set is called B. Okay, the big set is called. This is called superset because it's big. Superset, and this is called subset. I'll ask one question: is A is superset of B? True or false? If A is
True.
superset of B,
True.
yeah, because A is a parent of B, right? Another we call parent, or we call it as child also. Okay, yes, it's a true. Now we'll ask if A is subset of B.
No.
No, so it's a false. Have you cleared, Alka? Do you have any doubts?
No, clear.
Okay, now see the coding part. See, alas, is A is the subset of B? Yes.
Yes, it's a subset. Oh, yeah, because the elements in A are present in B. That's
Yeah.
why B has become the subset of A.
Yes, yes, yes. And I'm asked one more question. A is superset of B.
Yeah.
A
Yes.
is superset
Yeah,
of B.
Yeah.
the this element is present in
Yeah, yes, yeah. Okay. And clear method, which is used to clear all the elements from the set. By default, it is present as a set function. It means empty set. How do you denote empty set? Using set function. How do you denote empty list? Open close square brackets. How do you denote empty tuple? Open close
Parenthesis.
parenthesis. How do you denote empty string? Open close quotes.
Close. Mhm.
But how do you denote empty set? Set function. Okay, we no need to define open close curly brackets. Will another topic we will see the dictionary concepts. Okay, do you have any doubts in set concept, guys? Do you have any doubts? Is
yeah, this last one, can you repeat it again?
Yeah, sure, Alka. Just
The
listen.
that
So
you said,
in clear method, if you remove all the elements, because here I written fruits, right? So what is the fruits? So these are the fruits. So it removes all the elements. And
all the elements.
if you remove all the elements, what it presents? Empty set
But,
only. The empty
mm,
set is denoted as a set function.
yeah, then after you said something, so that I
It's we will not mention open close curly brackets. We will mention set function.
okay.
Okay, that Alka, if you see in
Okay.
another concepts, you will definitely clarify this. Okay, because I did now not explain the dictionary concepts, right? So if you completed dictionary concepts, you got idea about it. Okay.
Yeah, sure. You can
Yeah.
start.
Yes. Now it's okay for you. I just scroll down on the video again. Okay, guys.